Okay, here we're going to walk through the Blarney, redoing the walls, polyurethane coating these after sanding them, prepping them. Haven't got to these yet. This hallway's done. This half of the galley over here, from the oven over, has just been coated. Starting to look good, counters are good, woodwork's looking nice. Have to do this side. You can see the difference. This has already been scrubbed, wiped down with Scotch-Brite. Now I'll come back and sand it with the sander, get all the other stains out of it, and then coat it.